Okay, so 6 into 16 power 0 plus 3 into 16 power 1 and plus 2 into 16 square plus the last one is a into 16 cube. Okay, so here 16 power 0 is nothing but 1, no? So 1 into 6 is nothing but 6 plus 16 power 1 is nothing but 16. So 16 3 is a 48 plus and 16 square, so that is nothing but 256. So 256 into 2, so that is nothing but 512 plus, so this a is nothing but, what is the a? So a is represented as, after 9 will comes, the number will be 10, right? So a is represented as 10. So 10 into 16 cube, what is the 16 cube? So already we'll get here 16 square is nothing but 256, right? 256 into multiplied again with 16. Okay, so that is nothing but, okay, 3896. Okay, so just simplify the result by using calculator. Calculator will get the result here. Okay, so finally we'll get the result, maybe some 4000 change, I think 4000 or 5000, sorry 45,000 or 44,000 around will get the result. So this is the procedure to convert hexadecimal number into decimal number. Whatever the result will get here, that is equal to the decimal number. Okay, by using calculator we will find the result for this. Okay, so and this is the hexadecimal number system. Clear? So all from this you will get one idea what is binary number system and what is decimal number system and what is octal number system and what is hexadecimal number system. Okay, so these are the classifications of the number system. So now I will give the clarity what are the numbers will be represented in octal and what are the numbers will comes into hexadecimal, and like that binary and octal. Okay, so I will draw the table here. So how to find that decimal numbers and how to find that hexadecimal, how to find binary also. Okay, so first I will write the decimal numbers here. Okay, so decimal numbers how to represent? So 0 to 9, right? So normal digits will represent, right? So that is nothing but, actually I will write up to 15 values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So decimal number system is nothing but that is normal natural numbers. So that's why I can represent 0 to 15. Okay, so and now we'll come to binary numbers. So before going to write the binary numbers for decimal, so actually binary numbers we can implement two types. So the two types are, one thing is we can write BCD code. Already I explained this thing. Okay, BCD code is nothing but that is 8421 code, right? So we can represent totally 4 digits like 40000001, like that we can represent. And also we can represent this number into 3 digits also, that is nothing but just we can eliminate the 4th digit, that is also equal to the binary numbers. Okay na? So you can implement for 0 0 0 0 0, that is represented as 0 value. Okay, so this is equal to the 0 and this number is equal to the 1, no? So without this, okay, without these values, this value will be equal to the 1 and this value will be equal to 0. That means in the form of 3 digits we can represent it as binary number, in the form of 4 digits we can represent it as the binary number. Nothing will happen. If you want to represent the 3 digits, no problem. Okay, if you need to represent only 4 digits, no problem. Okay na? So that's your wish, depends on that values how to write it binary number. So I will write here directly 4 digits. We can eliminate this part also, no problem. Okay, you can represent just 3 digits of values. Okay, so and the 1 for 0001 and 2 for 0010. Already I explained how to find these values, right? So already I explained how to find the for this value of decimal means binary of base is nothing but 2. So 2 is always multiplied with the powers, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, like this. in the power of 6, in the place of 16 you can replace that 2. Okay na? So this number will come. You can follow the procedure. Okay, you can check that binary number system, you will get one idea. Okay na? So next, the for 3 number, how to write that value means 0011, and the next one is 100, and the next one is 101, 6 for 110, and 7 for 0111. Okay, so and from 8 we'll write it 1000. Okay, so and the second one is 1001, and the 10th one is 1010. Okay, 011, and next 100, next 101 for 13, next 101 101 110, and the next one, last one is all ones. Okay, these are the binary numbers. If you want to for this explanation, if you need explanation for this of binary numbers, so you can follow the decimal number system. Okay na? Already I explained in decimal number system how to convert decimal number into binary number. Already I explained that procedure. Okay, you will go that. Okay, so and the next one is octal number system. Okay, for 0 we'll write octal number as 0 only. So for 1, 1. Okay, so up to 7 numbers, there is no change for this. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after whatever the number will have here 8, that number will be changed in octal number system. From 8 the number will be 10. In octal number system actually we'll have 0 to 7 only, right? So that's why the first 8 digits will be represented in decimal number system, that is equal to octal. After that 8th number will be represented as normal number, that is 10. Okay, so just write the serial procedure, that is nothing but after 10 we'll have what are the serial numbers, just represent here 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Just skip for here 8 and 9 numbers. Okay na? So this is the octal number system. For 8 of octal number is 10, and 9 of octal number is 11, and 10 of octal number is 12. So 11 of decimal number of the octal number is 13. 12 decimal number of octal is 14. So 13 like 15, and 14, 16, 15, 17. Okay, so now we'll write the hexadecimal numbers. Okay, already you knows the hexadecimal numbers from 0 to 15, that is nothing but total 16 values we knows. So what are the values? 0 to 9 and A to F. Just write as it is. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sorry, 10 is represented as A, and 11 is represented as B, and 12 is represented as C, and 13 is represented as D, and 14 is represented as E, and 15 is represented as F. So totally the hexadecimal numbers are 0 to 9 and A to F. So this is the table. Okay, so this is the table, shows the relationship between octal number system, decimal number system, binary number system and hexadecimal number system. Clear? So this is the number system. Okay, so the next topic is number base conversions. Okay, so the next topic is number base conversions. Okay, so already we know from the number system totally we'll have the 4 number systems we'll have, right? So every number system having the separate base, right? So actually we'll have how many types of number systems are there? 4 number system, that is decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal, right? So every every number system will have separate base, that is nothing but decimal will have the base is 10, and binary will have the base is 2, and like octal having the base is 8, and hexadecimal having the base is 16, right? So that means every number system having separate base, this base will be converted to the another base. So this base will be converted to another base. So that conversion we can call it as the number base conversions. Okay, any base will be converted to the another base. That conversion we can call it as the number base conversions. Okay, so depends upon number system. The base conversions will be classified into so many types. Okay, so for each number system having the base conversions are there. Here decimal having the 3 types or 4 types of base conversions having, and like binary is also having the base conversions like octal and hexadecimal. Okay, now we'll see that one by one. Okay, so what is the base conversion here? So whatever the base will having the number system, that base will be converted to the another base. So I am taking here first binary.